All right, mathematicians, there's a thin line between a numerator and a denominator. Only a fraction of you may understand it. We're trying to simplify these fractions. We got 27 over 36. Now, if you can think of the biggest common factor that they have, then you can just divide by that. So if you happen to notice that 27 and 36 both divide by 9, you can get to your answer pretty quickly. The answer being 3/4. But let's suppose you didn't. Let's suppose you thought of maybe 3 first. And so you just divided both of these by 3 and you got 9 over 12. Then you realize, oh, they divide by 3. So you could divide it again. And then you end up with 3/4. So we still get the same answer, but if you can think of the biggest common factor, greatest common factor, then that will get you to your answer a little bit quicker. All right, we're looking at 36 and 48. 36 and 48 both divide by 12. And so we get 3 over 4. 24 and 16. Now you might just notice, oh, they're even numbers, so we can divide by 2. And so if we do that, now you're at 12 over 8. Maybe this time you notice that they divide by 4, and so you get 3 over 2. Now if you had thought of the biggest common the greatest common factor, you would divide by 8 at the beginning. And so you get 3 over 2. All right, this one, 28 over 84. If you think of the greatest common factor, which is 14, you get there pretty quickly. You get 2 over 7. No, sorry. 6 on the bottom. Ooh, so I did not think of the greatest common factor. They can also divide by 2 again. Greatest common factor there was 28. My fault. So you do want to look at your answers and see if they can still be reduced, still be divided by the same number. If they can, you want to keep on going. So occasionally you may find yourself where you've divided by a number and you realize, ooh, it's not in simplest form yet, and so you got to divide by something else. All right, so hopefully this helps you on your math journey. Peace.